how to fix the error performing query on Facebook. So if you want to fix the error performing query on Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, like if your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is not working, then you might find this kind of errors. So once you've checked your internet connection, the next method is to update the application that you are using. Like for example, in our case, Facebook is not working, right? So you need to open up your App Store or your Play Store and go with search, and under search you need to search for Facebook application. After searching for your Facebook, now if you have any updates on your Facebook, just simply go and update it. And even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then tap and hold on to your Facebook application for a few seconds. Tap on the app info option, and from there you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And after clearing cache, you can also just simply go and clear space or manage space. And after clearing your space, you will be logged out of your account. And after logging out, you can just simply go and log in back again to your Facebook. And after logging in, your problem, or that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go and uninstall the application, Facebook, that you're using. After uninstalling, again go with your App Store or your Play Store and install it again and log into your account. And it might fix your problem. That's it. That's how you can fix the error performing query on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.